ito ang mga pasalubong ni Miss Misamis Oriental.
May dalawang lechon na naghihintay.
Grabe! Palapit na ng palapit ang grandest destination ng ating 40 young queens. Kaya abangan niyo rin yan, mga Dabber Cats.
That's right. Today, sa Mindanao tayo babiyahe.
Dito sa Miss Millennial, showcase natin ang ganda ng buong Pilipinas, lalo na ng Mindanao. At ina-assure naman tayo ng lahat ng mga Miss Millennials natin na walang pangamba to go to
Oo,
Mindanao.
safe na.
At nakikita natin sa mga tours nila, saksakan siya ng ganda. Kaya ngayon lang natin nalalaman at talaga namang napapawaw tayo sa mga nakikita natin.
Tawagin na natin siya. Tawagin na natin si Miss Millennial Misamis Oriental 2019, Shella Grace Falconer.
Explore the agri-industrial capital of the South with Miss Cuyamis 2019. Chella Grace Falconer. Miss Millennial Misamis Oriental 2019.
Maayong buntag, Dabber Cats. I am Chella Grace Falconer from the agri-industrial capital of the South, Misamis Oriental. Tara na, let's explore Miss Or.
Hi, Shella. Sorry,
Hi.
Falconer pala yun.
So
Nakapasensya
pretty.
na si ate.
Okay lang.
Marami ba mga falconers sa Miss Amis Oriental?
I think kami lang.
Kayo
Ano ba ang Falconer?
Falconer is an American surname.
So half
Ang
American.
ganda ng mata ni
Talaga.
Shella.
Actually, I'm a quarter of German, Irish, and Indian American. Then my mom's Filipino, so I have all those races.
Halo-halo for short.
Yes, a mixture of all those races.
King ganda ng kanyang probinsya.
Yes.
Si Shella, tell us more about Miss Amis Oriental.
Well, Misamis Oriental has everything that you are looking for. From the green lush forest, from the waterfalls, we have over 70 majestic waterfalls. Can you imagine that in one place?
17.
Yes, and we have majestic, pristine beaches, which are very, very beautiful. And I cannot just say how beautiful it is by standing here. You have to experience it yourself.
Totoo naman. And you are also known as the agri-industrial capital of the South.
Yes.
Bakit?
Well, we have so much plantations in our country and in our province. We have so many tanim, like, for example, the Cuyamis, which is the sweetest variety of coconut. And our farmers and
Anong
everyone...
Kiamis.
Cuyamis is...
Cuyamis.
Yes. For a fact, Misamis is derived from Cuyamis, which is the sweetest variety of coconut, which is abundant in Misamis Oriental.
Very nice.
Okay. At dahil gusto mong pumunta mga Dabber Cats sa Miss Amis Oriental, turuan mo sila how to get there, Chella.
By plane, you can actually go to Hal, which is only about 1 hour and 30 minutes or
Straight
1
flight
hour
na
and
yun.
40. Yes,
Straight flight na.
And you arrive at Lagindingan Airport, and Lagindingan is, you're actually in Misamis Oriental already.
Alright.
Madali lang pala.
Yes, madali lang.
Basta may pal.
Yes.
Madali lang.
Okay, Shella, pakita mo na sa amin ang ganda ng Mindanao.
Ladies and gentlemen, I will give you a glimpse of how beautiful my province is, Misamis Oriental. Kaya tara na, samahan niyo ako sa biyaheng Misamis Oriental. If you think you've seen it all, well, my province has more to offer. Samahan niyo ako sa biyaheng Misamis Oriental dahil siguradong mapapasabi kayong sana all! Are you looking for an affordable and relaxing swimming destination? Then come and visit Alibuag Cold Spring.
Sobrang lamig. Oh my God, ang sarap sobra.
Isa pang pinagmamalaking delicacies ng Misamis Oriental ay ang aming mga pies, katulad ng ubi pie, durian pie, at buko pie. Halika nga, tikman nga natin. Farm tourism ba yung hanap mo? Well, we have it here in Miss Or. You'll have fun picking out the local produce, and also it helps our farmers and their way of living.
May dinner na ako mamaya. Look how cute they are. They're so cute, right?
Our province is blessed to have more than 70 majestic waterfalls, and one of those is Siklas Falls in Hingoag City. We are now going to try the water activities here at Duca Bay Resort, such as snorkeling, their glass boat, kayaking, and scuba diving.
Dito na tayo sa glass boat. Gusto nyo ba makita ang aming paradise garden? Oh my God! Oh, ayan. Sobrang ganda, di ba?
I am Chella Grace Falconer, your Miss Millennial Misamis Oriental 2019. And what are you waiting for? Come and explore the amazing secrets of Misamis Oriental.
If it weren't for you, hindi namin makikita ang ganda ng Misamis Oriental.
At ang ganda mo nang walang
Talaga ba?
make-up. Fresh na fresh.
Like you po.
So, Chella, tell us more about what you brought for us today.
Well,
Bakit
first-
may dalawang lechon dito?
Oo, magkaibang lasa ba niyan?
Yes, actually our lechon helps our local farmers in Misamis Oriental, and it helps, it is actually healthy, and our pork is one of the delicacies because when there's a fiesta, we all go to get a lechon or to make a lechon.
Kaya pala talagang pinagmalaki nila yan.
Malasang malasa daw yan. Marami daw maraming
Seasoning.
Well, I would like to go to the dragon fruit, which is actually from our governor's farm. The scientific name for the dragon fruit is Cesium camine, and it's actually helps in chronic diseases such as
Okay.
cancer, which is the abnormal growth of bad cells in our body, and it's also help us to have a strong immune system, which is very good in Misamis Oriental. We have it.
And we've never seen duhat wine before.
Duhat
Oh,
wine
ito
is
siya.
actually called in English is Java plum. The scientific name is Hylucerae minisicus. And then it's very healthy because it's anti-inflammatory, and that is antidiuretic and anti-diabetes. When you actually think of something that's wine, it's sweet. But when you come to think of it, it's really amazing because it's anti-diabetic. So it's not something that goes against your principles when you come to eat something that's sweet.
Ah,
Very good. How about yung bibingka nyo? Anong pagkakaiba ng
Of
bibingka
course,
niyan?
our bibingka. Oh my
Dami
gosh,
nga
I
eh.
can.
So many
Just
types.
by smelling it, you can say na busog ka na. Grabe. Like our bibingka has so much variety in it. It has so much milk, coconut milk for exact. Because like what I've
Yeah.
said earlier, Kuyamis is just the most abundant product in Misamis Oriental. And we make our bibingka with so much love and so much passion. That is why it is special and it is different.
So may kiyame sa bibingka ninyo.
Yes.
Okay, try namin
malasang
yan.
malasa siya.
Thank you so much, Shella. At sa mga kababayan mong
Wild na wild.
enthusiastic talaga ang kanilang pag-cheer sa'yo.
Pasalamatan mo naman yung mga
Of course,
sumusuporta
I would
sa'yo.
like to say thank you to our Governor Bambi Emano for being so supportive, and also thank you Attorney Jeffrey for being here in the studio today. And I would like to say hi to all the Misamisans and our Governor who is actually watching in the provincial capital of Misamis Oriental. Thank you to all the Misamisans who are supporting me. I love you so much.
Kasama rin nila si Miss Millennial Misamis Oriental 2018 first runner-up na si Dana Rose
Yes,
sa
and Miss
Kaupo.
Dana.
Kaya pala familia.
The ever beautiful Dana Rose sa Calco.
Hello, welcome back.
Mga titlists pala ang mga Misamis Oriental people. Sa mga nagbabalak po pumunta sa Mindanao, lalo na sa probinsya ng Misamis Oriental, you can check out Shella's 2,000 peso itinerary budget tour tips. You can visit Eat Bulaga's Facebook page for that. Diba?
Maraming salamat.
At pwede rin
Thank
i-follow
you.
ang mga social media
Yes.
accounts ni Miss Millennial Misamis Oriental to know more about her province.
May regalo ka mula sa kasama namin naghahatid ng Miss Millennial Philippines. Meron kang gift pack from Potency, the beauty of immunity.
May matatanggap ka ring Mega Sound Smart Pro Video Key Experience Music and more. May more than 18,000 songs ka na gusto-gusto ng mga Dabar Cards mo. May free 2-year song update ka pa. At meron ka ring efficient oil araw-arawin mo. Ang Miss Millennial Philippines ay inetid din ng Nescafe Creamy White. Mas masarap ang buhay kapag walang pait.
Mang Inasal, 2-in-1 laki, nuot sa sarap. Lola Remedios All Natural Supplement. Lola Remedios, Remedios ng Pinoy.
Skyflakes, asahan mo. At ng Philippine Airlines, fly with Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
Chela, imbitahan mo na ang ating mga Dabber Cats na pasyalan ang Mindanao, lalo na ang probinsya mo.
Dabber Cats, Misamis Oriental offers you lush green forests, majestic waterfalls, grandest events, and our festival, which is the Cuyamis Festival. So what are you waiting for? Come to Misamis Oriental at siguradong mapapasabi ka ng sana all.
Sana all, hashtag. We have some flowers from our boy from Jensen. Maraming salamat, Miss Millennial Misamis Oriental, Shella Grace Falconer.
Bukas, babiyahe naman tayo sa Visayas with Dabber Cats Paolo. Sa Cebu po ang kanilang destination. Dito lang yan sa
Miss Millennial Philippines 2019. Sumugan na tayo sa barangay. One for all for one na.
Miss Millennial Philippines 2019 grand winner will receive 500,000 pesos. She will move into her house and lot from Lysandra. Angat ka dito. And drive home a brand new Suzuki Ciaz GLX. She will also wear the crown, which stands for the strong, independent young Filipina who has a heart for her hometown. It's a crown pit for the next Miss Millennial Philippines.